Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. We're going to try beef and hash chilies. I say hash chilies because every store you walk into right now is going to have a hash chili version for just about everything. Cereal, doesn't matter, you'll see hash chilies everywhere. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start marinating our chicken. And, alright, we need, just so we can show you what your pinches are on these. That's about all you need for a pinch of cornstarch. And then here's your squirt of cooking wine. Not like that. And then it's just add a little bit of soy sauce. This is another, that's a squirt, heavy squirt of soy sauce. And we're making our marinade. All we do is stir it around till we get that thin brown paste that we're looking for. We try to do the velveting technique. And when it's ready, it kind of looks like that. Mix it around in there. That's it. Okay. Now everything begins with this dish and every other one. Seems like a stir fry. Heat your wok. And that's about the flame level you want to have. And the wok gets, wait a few seconds and add some oil in here. You just cover the very center part of the bottom with oil for stir frying, and then you kind of wait a few seconds. And then go ahead and put your garlic in. This particular dish has garlic and a little ginger. And you stir it around till it gets fragrant. And then you go ahead and add your beef. You go up the sides of the wok. Let it sear that way. Spread it around. And just leave it alone. your meat will start to have a little color. And it's okay if this garlic sticks to the wok a little bit. When you deglaze, it'll all come off. Put it back in your temporary pan. Add a little bit more oil. And your chilies. And shredded carrots. Hope you're cutting these.
Yeah. Oh well, don't worry. It's just easier for me when I have one long video to cut than like 10 short videos to put together.
A little sesame oil. A little oyster sauce. A little water. And you're going to cover it, put it on low. Now you're going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Sometimes less. Every once in a while though you want to check it. That's about right. Add your meat back in. And we're ready to go. Beef and hatch chilies. This will be very good.